Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of Minecraft Skywars. I have figured out what is causing the scratching sound. It is the tablecloth. So yeah, I figured it out, and let's get started on episode 9. Hello guys, I'm back, and it's in this round. Okay, there's some. Okay, what? Okay, there's 2 people with ranks. I think we're gonna lose. How about you guys? What? See? 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 Look at this. See? See? I knew it. I knew it. We're gonna lose. Let's do how to see our score. We have so far. Okay, 612. That's not much. That's not bad. Okay. I'll get back to you when I'm in another round. Hello guys, I am back. I don't think there's anybody here. Okay, there's no one here that has ranks. Thank goodness. Okay. That's rude. You stink 7070. How can they even allow this as like a username? See, that's what happens with people that has rude usernames. One time it was like hilarious. Like first this guy was a noob, so he just died straight away. And those 2 rankers, they were fighting each other, and I was just like chilling there, and after they were done, like they both died at the same time for some reason, and like basically I just won. Oh dang it. I placed those. Okay. So we need to do some hardcore parkour. And just to be safe, let's just put 1 extra block. JTBS. And there's no way I can fail this. There you go, so it's only, and it had me and this guy. Why is he like why you place so much water? Okay, I'm starting a bit grim. I need to louden my voice. Loudened! Hunter Pitman. We need to so far destroy Hunter Pitman. Hunter Pitman. A hunter that has pits. Just do this. Do this. No, I didn't mean to place. Okay, whatever. Whatever. Let's just do this. Do this. I need to get a block. Just be safe if I like fall into or something. And this. And I need this. Beat this with a stick. That is lucky. So okay, so do this, do this, do this, do this, do this. Okay. No! Dang it! Oh, that was so stupid. For all of you that does not know that there's diamond ore here, there's diamond ore here. So don't be like, what? So yeah, do this, do this. Okay, this. Okay, I bet you he's gonna shift right off the chest. Okay, nope, he's not done. Oh, smart guy. Not going for the big one yet. I need this. Not going for the big one yet, huh? Aren't you? Oh, okay. Let's just hope that Dirt blocks aren't gonna stop me. Like, seriously, dude. Are you serious? Oh, he's trying to tower up. Oh, I see. Nope, there's no block here, so I see how it is now, bro. I see, Hunter Pitman. Hunter Pitman. I'm just gonna recording. Stop the typing. Hunter Pitman. So okay. Okay, we need more blocks, honestly. So this Pitman guy. Okay, so let's get some blocks. Hunter Pitman. Oh no, nope, oh no. Okay, he's not going for it. Yes! Yes! Yeah. So, yay, Pokemobs. Oh, it says Gzai. That is creepy. What is going on here, bro? My mom is talking to my turtle. It is being a turtle right now. So I'll come back in the next round. 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start! What? That was lucky. Oh, I know how you get seeds from the grass, because in Nay, Not Enough Items, I had this thing like that tells you what kind of block yard that you're looking at thing, and it's like randomly glitching from when I look at a grass like this. It's randomly glitching from a seed to grass. So whenever you break it, there's a possibility of it getting a piece of grass. No, like a piece of seeds. And this glitches back and forth really fast. Noob. Three players remain. Okay, so let's just get this. This round need to be quick, man. This round needs to be quick. I need to rush this thing up. I could only record for 10 minutes, and it's like already 8. This is usually the map that takes the longest. What? No, my life is ruined. If I can't get there, my life is literally ruined. No. Okay. The battle for the island. My scared is an assassin, so I need to take risks and stuff. Aww. So this is gonna wait. I just sound like a parrot. Okay. So this is it for this episode, guys. Like, subscribe, whatever you have to do. Become a villain by subscribing, and goodbye.